And from Chandler Tool, this is the CT60. This is a stand-up glue gun. This thing is awesome. It stands up perfectly just by itself. It's got the cord. I've got it plugged in right now. So you've got a cord to plug it in, and then it comes with a bunch of glue sticks as well, and it self-feeds in there just as you pull the trigger. Also has this tilt-out feature, so I guess if you want to tilt it down and use it as a guide as you're going along something. But I have just a scrap of wood here. I wanted to show you how easy it comes out. And the harder you squeeze, the more glue will come out. And you can do some fine lines as well. But really easy to use. Has the nozzle on the front. I don't know if this is adjustable or not, but this tip is kind of plastic, but it's kind of hot right now, so you don't really want to touch that a lot. But once this glue stick gets fed in there, then you'll just take another one and slide it right in there, and it'll keep working. But this is a great glue gun. Works just how you need it to. You can put on as much glue as you want wherever. Here's a little section that's already dry. So there's some dried glue. And here I have a broken Christmas pumpkin. It's plastic, and it's very easy just to put a bead of glue right on the edge. And once you get that bead, which is nice is because it's clear, so it doesn't really matter how much you put on there. But you can put this stem right back on, and it will fix this broken pumpkin. Just pull off the extra once you're done. And right here I have a scarecrow that I've got to repair. Got some buttons that we're going to glue on right here, so this will be very easy to do. We'll just put a little glue right here, and this will hold just how it's supposed to. Put another dab over here on this side. And there we go. Then just take off any excess and you're ready to go. But very easy to use. Can highly recommend this. I've used this for a lot of different projects and things. This is the CT60 glue gun from Chandler Tool. Highly recommend for sure. Check it out.